Wouldn't it be amazing if we learn and build our vocabulary using a fun and engaging tool? Well, earlier games like Board Race, Hangman, Pictionary, and Word Jumble Race were a fun way of improving your vocabulary. The only drawback was these games needed other players and could not be played on the go. Well, a few years back, Google launched its very own word coach, and the process of learning and improving has become fun ever since. I know you all might be wondering, how does the word coach make learning fun, and how do we use Google Word Coach? Don't worry, I got you covered. Well, hello everyone, my name is Raj, and today in this video, I'm going to tell you all about Google Word Coach and the questions surrounding it. So let us first understand what exactly is Google Word Coach. Well, Google Word Coach is a wonderful tool for growing one's English vocabulary and discovering new words in the language. The game makes it simple to quick access unfamiliar and difficult English words. And the best aspect of this application is how entertainingly it motivates users to develop their language and comprehension skills by presenting the content as a quiz. The tool often referred to as Google Word Coach Quiz and Google Word Coach Game is a good technique to improve your vocabulary in English. Anyone who already has a stronger English vocabulary and wants to spend their leisure time engaging in a useful activity will find amusement in the vocabulary game. Now this brings us a question. How can we access the Google Word Coach? Well, all you need is a Google browser and a mobile device and you can search on Google Word Coach. Or you can just search for a meaning of a word and you'll be able to access the Word Coach. For example, if you search for a definition of course in Google, you'll get two options to select from, right? Now all you need is to select one of them, and if your answer is correct, you'll get some points and the next question will appear. If your answer is incorrect, you won't get the points but will be taken to the next question. Questions asked in the quiz are different as well as make the game engaging. There are three types of questions. The first one is which word is similar to. Second one, which word is opposite to. And the third one is which images best fits the word. Now you all might wonder, do we get levels in this game? Well, levels add so much interest to the game, right? The answer is yes. Google Word Coach only has 2 levels at a moment and the level up button will appear after a few rounds. You will enter the second level which has no endpoint after clicking that. Now you are allowed to play as often as you like and you will advance level once you have correct answers 5 questions in the level 1 quiz. The following level is a level 1 challenging than the previous one, and if you correctly respond with the appropriate answers of each question, you will receive a reward worth 200 points. The level and difficulty may determine the scoring points, right? The Word Coach cannot be downloaded on your phone as an application. But don't worry, you can easily create a shortcut icon for the game on your home screen, and you can see an arrow mark at the bottom left corner of the Word Coach game, which you can play while you search on Google. With the correct shortcut icon on your home screen, you won't even have to type anything on the Google browser. Just click the icon and you're good to go. I hope this video provides you with the right information and it has helped you to learn and have a bit of fun at the same time. For more informative videos surrounding the digital world, do subscribe our channel, and until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.